Alright guys, so even though we got all of the checks actually start opening and we got the trailer in yesterday, the truck is still open. I'm doing the mid shift today. We're going to be cooking for the truck as well as the family and friends night that's going to be happening in the next 2 days. Hopefully you guys enjoy just being a fly on the wall. Usually we'll have an off going on and then direct it over there.
Awesome, man. Yeah. Cool. Appreciate it.
Easy. Get yourself 2 sheets of heavy duty aluminum foil. And do it, folks. I see a lot of people struggling with this.